Okay, this is the fourth video I have on PHP magic methods, and this one's on call and callStatic. So I've gotten rid of them right now, but I'm going to write two methods that are going to be used in the example. So the first one is going to be protected h1, or a function h1, and it's going to return h1 called. And then the next one is going to be a static version of it, h2, and it's going to return h2 called. Got the wrong order here. Okay. Okay, so when you go down to V1, it's not going to show these up. So it doesn't show up because it's not a public method, and this is the public access. So I'm going to call it anyways, h1, and echo that out, and it's going to come up with an error here. It says call to protected method. So there's a couple ways you could fix that. You could just do this and put public, and then it's going to work. That's not what I want to do. I'm going to use this call method, and I'll get rid of this other one. So to call a protected function, you return this dot dash name. Sorry, that only works if it has one. So user call user function array, and then pass this an array of this object, and then the name of the function, so name, and then the arguments was here. Now if I call it, it's going to return h1 called, and if you get this, it's not going to return it, and it's not going to call an error, so just be blank. Okay, so that's how that call works there. Now you can also call it statically. So now this isn't going to work. Let's get rid of the h1. It's called to on protected method from context. So you do the same thing with this one. Func array, and then you pass an array of class, and then the name of the function, which is name, and then arguments. And now this should work here and return h2 called. And if you don't want it to work but not throw an error, you can just comment it out like that, and nothing happens. Okay, that's call and callStatic.